YouTube. Welcome back, guys, and happy Saturday. Today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Adidas Yeezy 500 Rat. This is the blush colorway, and this is a second colorway of Kanye West 4 silhouette with the Adidas. Feature a premium suede and mesh upper. Sitting on top a chunky ID print cushioning sole. The shoes first dropped on February 16, 2018 during an NBA All-Star weekend. And then was restocked again, which is April 14 of 2018. And this one is the supposed to be the first pair that I got from EasySupply.com. And then the second pair I got it from Adidas.com. But pros and cons if you buy from Easy Supply, it is pretty easy to check out and everything. And that is the pro. The con is that they charge you $20 for the shipping versus Adidas. It is free shipping, and then you get it much on a later date than Adidas. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and then get it started, guys. Hopefully there's no invoice in there. This one, the box is smaller because it's size 9, and then we cut one of the size 13 for the resale. So let's check it out. All right, so it is double box. So just want to double check there's no invoice. Nice. 500. This is the original Adidas. Okay. In case you guys don't know, there's no boost in these shoes. Okay. Again, you got the Adidas on the bottom of the box. And then that is the label. This is the original label. Some people probably criticize, oh, that rectangular is supposed to be more toward the corner or whatever. So this is original from Adidas. I mean from Easy Supply. So there is no fake out there, in case you guys are questioning. I want to take out all the way so I won't mess up the tissue paper. So the shoe does look like a rat because of this pointy toe box. It looks like a rat's nose. So looking at size 13, the more I look at it, the more it looks like a rat. That's why it's called rat. So you got a sway right here on the back. This is just a rubberized, and this is ID print. Then you have this Adidas slanted logo on the front. And this is the outsole. It says non-marking. Got your Adidas logos up there again. So again, this lining, it is 3M reflective that I show you guys about the unboxing for the size 13, in case you guys missed it. Got this tag, hang tag. You got this two of the round mesh, and then the whole thing is mesh with the plush, pretty soft around the tongue area. And you got the Author Light, Yeezy, Adidas. And this is the other shoes, guys, okay? So a lot of you guys might probably think this is ugly shoes, but once you try them on, and it is quite comfy. So I'll try to give you like a different angle of try on. So let's go ahead and then get it started, guys. yeah, guys, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video, and please hit that subscribe button. Be sure to turn on the bell for notification and drop any comments on below. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace. Happy Saturday.